Hello everyone. Today in this video we will make a sentence with these words. Door. The door is open. The door is open. Rain. It will rain today. It will rain today. Place. This place is very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. Watch. I watch TV every evening. I watch TV every evening. Next word is run. I run every morning. I run every morning. Early. He finished his homework early. Wind. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. Next word is jump. The children jump with joy. The children jump with joy. Next word is key. I lost my key yesterday. I lost my key yesterday. Go. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.